Hi, this is Tihana from Real Estate Portun, and let me introduce you to a fantastic apartment in Old Town. This charming apartment is located in the center of Rovinj and offers a perfect visual of the sea and Old Town nucleus. The apartment is set on the second floor of a stone house built in the 18th century. It stretches on 52 square meters and consists of living room, dining room and kitchen, one bedroom, one bathroom and additional room with entrance to the terrace. The apartment has been renovated in 2020. It is fully furnished and ready to move in. The nearest beach is located only 10 minutes from the apartment, and to the city center you could get within 3 minutes. Even though it is located in Old Town, you don't have to worry about your car because parking lot is set only 80 meters from the apartment. Thanks for watching and see you soon!